Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO draining battery too fast. So first go into the panel in the bottom right corner and click the battery. Now into the power mode and change best performance or balanced to best power efficiency like I have. Into the screen sleep and hibernate timeouts, change all this option to 5 minutes or less. As you can see on battery it's 3 minutes is recommended. Then energy saver, you can click and turn on the always use energy saver, but I won't be doing it now because you won't see anything. Back to the right panel, change the brightness, lower it. Once again, you couldn't see anything if I do that. The gray bar at the very bottom of the screen, right click on it and task manager. Now go into the startup apps, and now if you're not want any of these apps to start automatically when you power on your computer, you can click and disable. As you can see, most of them are disabled in my case. So next, if you have connected too many devices to your laptop, it may drain your battery also fast, like Bluetooth mouse or keyboard, or even charging your phone via your laptop. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.